Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and in the spirit of the holidays, my kid brother makes us Ghanaian OMOTUO. So if you are interested, stay tuned and let's see how it went down. So starting off, I had to cook the rice for him. So I poured some water into a saucepan. I added my washed rice, and then I went ahead and added salt, mixed everything together, and allowed it to boil on medium heat until the rice was soft and ready. Once the rice was soft and ready, he took over the kitchen with his wooden spatula, or what we call in Chibimkuta. He started stirring the rice this way until he got a uniform, solid consistency. And then once he achieved that consistency on a low to medium heat so it doesn't get burnt, okay, he finally molded it. How do you think he's doing so far? Is that how you do your OMOTUO at home? Do you think he did well? Well, in my house, everybody learns how to cook, whether you're a male or female, and so he knows how to make a few things. So if you think we should bring him back here on the channel to teach us another recipe, let us know in the comments and score him in the comments. Did he do well? He molded it into these shapes for us to enjoy it with our granite soup. So if you haven't seen our granite soup recipe, please check it out. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. We'll come by tomorrow. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.